again, Daniel the King. So in today's video, I came with another interesting video this week. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can use your Chroma key and keyframe in your VN video editor. So this app is actually free. When I say free, it's totally free for both Android and the iPhone users. You can download this app on Play Store or iStore. So without further delay, let me take you step by step on how to do this using your smartphone. Hello guys, here is the VN app. Guys, let's go ahead and launch it. So I'm going to click on the plus button down below to add my clips. Then I will click on new project. I will select my videos. I'm selecting 2 videos. Click on arrow button. Then here is the videos on my timeline. Let me remove this part. I don't need it. Okay. So the first I'm going to be doing, here we have the 2 videos. Okay. The first I will be doing is to add my company logo, and thereby afterward I will add Chroma key and the keyframe. So to do that, I will click on tap to add sticker and the PIP. Then click on videos and images. Okay, I will select this. Here I have my company logo here, as you can see on the video. The first I want to be doing is to remove the white background. To do that, I will be needing Chroma key. So you find Chroma key at the down of your phone. Here it is, down here. You click on it, then use it to remove the white background. Then when you look down below, you see 2 options. They're actually there for adjustment. So let me adjust it so it's okay like this. I click OK. Here I have my logo on the video. I can actually move it to any direction, any place I want it to be. I can move it up and down. Okay, let me put it down below, down here. Okay, we are done with Chroma key. That is how you add Chroma key, how you use Chroma key to remove a background on photos. So I can actually make my company logo to appear from the beginning of the phone, of the video, to the end of the video. To do that, I will click and hold. Click it and drag it to the end of the video. It simply means from the beginning of the video to the end, this logo will appear on the video. Okay, now let's add a keyframe to this company logo, to the photo. To do that, let me move my playhead up to this point and add my Chroma key. Remember, we are adding the Chroma key to the photo and not the video for now. I will click on the photo to activate Chroma key keyframe. I will click on it. Then I will move my playhead down to where I want the keyframe to start. Okay, let's start from here. Then I will move my logo up and down So it has taken this effect. Let's go ahead and play it and see. Let's play it and see. See, it's moving up. That is how you add keyframe to your photo or whatever. Okay, now let's add keyframe to the video before we add the title. Okay, now let's add title first, subtitle. To do that, you click on the plus button, you select your text, let's select standard, then you tap on it to edit. Let's write how to use Chroma. How to use Chroma key. Okay. Now let's select our font. I prefer this. I prefer using this. Let's add color to it. You have a bunch of options you can use to make your subtitle beautiful. You can actually expand it. You can move it up and down. Okay. Sorry, there's a mistake here. A mistake here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we are done. We are okay with that. Click OK. And drag it. Move it up and down. So what I'm going to do now is that I want to move my title to the beginning of the video. As you can see, it's not at the center, at the beginning. So to do that, I will click and hold it and move it to the beginning. I can stretch it. Okay. So I can move it down. Let's move it down. Now let's add a chroma key, a keyframe, keyframe to our title. The same way we add keyframe to our photo, the same we are going to add keyframe to our title. You click on the title to activate the keyframe. You click on it. You move your playhead. Move your playhead up to this point. Any point which you want your playhead to move, your keyframe to move. Okay, meaning I'm using 8 seconds. Now let's apply keyframe to our subtitle. Let's move it up. Then let's play it and see. Let's play it. See, it's moving up. As you can see. Okay. Now that is how you add a keyframe to your title. Now let's also add a keyframe to our video. You move your playhead to any point where you want to add on the clip, where you want to add the keyframe. You click on the video. Before that, you have to split it. Let's split it first. Let's say from this point up to this point. You want to add a keyframe from that point to this point. You split again. You move your playhead to where the keyframe actually you want the keyframe to take effect. Okay, you click on that portion of the clip to activate your keyframe. You move your keyframe, you add the first keyframe, you move your, before that, before we move it, let's want to make that this portion to zoom in and out. Then reduce the size, okay. Now let's move our playhead now. Let's start again. Okay. Now let's move our playhead. Let's to the beginning. Let's add keyframe. Let's move it in. Move your playhead again. You zoom out. Okay. Let's play it. We are done. Let's play it and see what we have. Okay, as you can see, you zoom in and out. Okay, yeah, that is how you add keyframe to your video. Okay, so basically this is how you add keyframe and the chroma key to your video. If this video make meanings to you, or if you derive any useful information in this video, please